Hello, my name is Brent Haas from rustbeltZen, and I'm sitting here in the woods. I'd like to take a moment and say how grateful I am to Hamid and his team at HTML Pro for coding and building our website at rustbeltZen. We had it designed and sought counsel on getting someone to build it and get it up and online. They did an incredible job. Budget was great. And they were there whenever we had questions, concerned, all along the way, along the path of building rustbeltZen.org. I highly recommend them for anyone who wants to build a website with a high budget or low budget. Talk to Hamid at HTML Pro. Thank you. Have a great day.